Good morning, students. Welcome back in science class of class 8, chapter 8, conservation of forest and wildlife. The children, conservation, what does it mean? The protection, preservation, management, or restoration of wildlife and of natural resources is known as conservation. Is it clear? The variety of life on earth is commonly referred to as biodiversity. Bio means life, diversity means different forms, variety. So, variety of life found on earth is commonly referred to as biodiversity. Biodiversity plays an important role in the functioning of food chains and food web. You have already read about the food chains and food web in previous classes. Food chain, what is food chain? A chain in which who eats whom is formed, that is food chain, and intermixing of food chains are called food webs. It helps to maintain the ecological balance of ecosystem. Food chain and food web, if it is maintained in the environment, then ecological balance is maintained. Otherwise, it is disturbed. Many human activities are causing a large number of extinction of plants and animals. Yeah. Many human activities are causing large number of extinction of plants and animals. As you know, mainly animals are being hunted for their benefit. Humans kill the animals for their benefits, as they use leather of tiger, skin of tiger, lion for leather, and it is too much costly. Leather products like jacket and purse, etc. So humans, for their benefit, kill the animals and also cut the plants for getting their product. This is affecting the functioning of several ecosystems. What does it mean, ecosystem? Ecosystem meaning क्या हुआ? What do you mean by ecosystem? An ecosystem is natural unit. Ecosystem is a natural unit where it consists both plants and animals. Means it consists biotic and abiotic factor. Biotic and abiotic factor. Biotic factor consist plants and animals. Abiotic factors consist physical factors like air, water, soil, etc. Is it clear? Suppose a forest is a natural ecosystem. Two types of ecosystem are there: natural ecosystem and man-made ecosystem, that is artificial ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem. Man system. Here you can say forest is a natural ecosystem, whereas an aquarium is artificial ecosystem. Next, the preservation of species and their habitats is important for ecosystem to function. Here one term is used, that is species. What do you mean by species? Species are a group of organisms that can interbreed freely under natural conditions. Why? Why they interbreed? To produce fertile offsprings. Okay, so these are the species of plants and animals, group of organisms that can interbreed freely under natural conditions to produce fertile offsprings. So here the preservation of species and their habitats is important for ecosystem to functions. Children, conserving biodiversity is very important because in food chain, suppose this is the food chain, plants are consumed by deers are consumed by lions. So if deer is killed in this food chain, if deer in a forest are killed, then what is the consequence? The population of lions will decrease. If deers are killed, then population of lions will be affected, will decrease. Why? Due to the lack of food, because deers are the food of lion, and if deers are killed, then lions will be also killed, die, lions are died, so population will decrease here. And to prevent plants and animals' life, Government of India is setting up biosphere reserves, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in different parts of country. In next video you will read about all these topics: biosphere reserves, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. So hope you will learn it, you will listen it. If once you can't understand, then listen it twice. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.